today's world, technology is changing every second, every minute. They generate the new generative AI algorithms coming in, new applications coming in. And being a small or a medium-sized enterprise, rather than growing alone, it is always better when you collaborate and grow.
It's always good to interact not just with the people who come here and present, but also mingle and collaborate with other stakeholders in the industry as to what they are experiencing and how they are actually using generative AI in their business and solving real problems.